Got a Ford Maverick and tired of your gear getting soaked or stolen? Whether you're hauling tools, groceries, or weekend adventure gear, your truck bed deserves serious protection. In this video, we're counting down the best bed covers for the Ford Maverick. From sleek roll-ups to heavy-duty hard covers, let's find the perfect fit for your lifestyle and your budget. Number 5 on our list is the Tomoka truck bed cover, a hard trifold tonneau designed specifically for Ford Mavericks from 2022 to 2025 with a 4.5-foot bed. This cover isn't just about looks, it's made from high-strength fiberglass reinforced polymer panels, alloy frames, and stainless steel clamps, giving it serious durability and a clean, low-profile appearance. Whether you're battling rain, snow, dust, or harsh UV rays, this cover has your back, offering impact, scratch, and vibration resistance. It features a secure latching system with side Velcro straps to keep everything sealed while driving, and the matte black finish even reduces glare at night. Plus, installation is a breeze, no drilling required, and users rave about the snug fit, reliable latch mechanism, and how great it looks once it's on. If you're looking for affordability, toughness, and a perfect fit, Tomoka delivers. Number 4 is the WHALEMOTOR truck bed cover, a soft roll-up option custom designed to fit the 2022 to 2025 Ford Maverick with a 4.6-foot bed. This cover is all about convenience and quality, offering a snug, secure fit with a tool-free clamping system that makes installation incredibly easy, even for first-timers. Built from durable, weather-resistant materials, it keeps your cargo safe from rain, wind, and sun while maintaining a sleek, aerodynamic profile that cuts down on wind drag and boosts fuel efficiency. The roll-up design gives you fast access to the bed without removing the whole cover, and users love how sturdy it feels. Even at freeway speeds, it stays quiet and locked in place. For its price, it's a great value, combining reliability, ease of use, and a surprisingly heavy-duty build that makes it a standout pick. Coming in at number 3 is the RealTruck TruXedo truck bed cover, a soft roll-up cover built to fit the 2022 to 2024 Ford Maverick with a 4 feet 6 inches bed. This cover stands out for its ease of use and premium build quality, featuring a heavy-duty 1.5-inch frame and high-quality leather-embossed vinyl that not only looks sharp but also holds strong against the elements. With preset tarp tension and durable support bows, it keeps your cargo dry, even through rain or several inches of snow. The installation process is a breeze, requiring no drilling or special tools. You can have it fully set up in under 30 minutes. Users praise its perfect fit, sturdy locking mechanism, and overall high-end feel, all at a price that delivers excellent value. If you're looking for a sleek, secure, and reliable bed cover that's easy to install and even easier to live with, the TruXedo is a fantastic choice. Number 2 on our list is the Autosaver 88 truck bed cover, a soft roll-up option tailored for the 2022 to 2025 Ford Maverick with a 4 feet 6 inches bed. This cover combines smart design and rugged build quality, featuring arched crossbars that allow water to flow off the surface, preventing pooling and potential damage. Its double-layer PVC tarp resists tears and abrasion, while the sturdy aluminum frame, side rails, and stainless steel clamps create a secure, weather-tight seal. Installation is quick and drill-free, with a spring-loaded latching system and adjustable tension keeping the cover tight and smooth at all times. Users love how it installs in minutes, fits perfectly, and looks clean and streamlined on the truck. It's a fantastic balance of affordability, durability, and easy usability, delivering impressive performance and a sleek finish without breaking the bank. And finally, at number 1, we have the Tyger Auto T3 truck bed cover, a top-tier soft trifold cover designed specifically for the 2022 to 2025 Ford Maverick with a 4.5-foot bed, made from US patented, heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl and reinforced with aircraft-grade aluminum frames. This cover promises both durability and a sleek, stylish look. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars offer excellent support while conveniently folding up with the cover for full bed access when needed. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required. Just clamp it on using the included stainless steel hardware. It's praised for its easy-to-use foldable design and excellent fit, with users reporting no water leakage during rain or car washes. If you're looking for a solid, well-priced tonneau cover that works great, installs easily, and offers strong protection, the Tyger Auto T3 is an unbeatable choice.